You are now listening to On The Town Radio.
When I'm seeing you, can I talk to you for a minute?
I say, yo, lady, you touch my heart, and from that moment, you laid eyes on my heart. Can I call you baby? Or maybe call you lady, and I won't stop till I get you in my life.
Picture this, me and you hopping out of planes, taking trips to anywhere, sipping champagne. But it don't matter where we fall, cause when we touch down, we gon' hit the mall, and we gon' go on all type of shopping sprees. I'm your AJ girl and everything is free. From tennis bracelets, Marc Jacobs sexy laces, unfamiliar places, why you treat me with them sex faces?
Come give me that, come give me that, come give me that, come give me that blood, boy. You don't give a fuck, I don't give a fuck. Your body got me feeling for some love. Me and you flying like some doves when we hug. Up all night, me and you, it's a rendezvous. Sound cool to you, baby, I just love what you do. But you gotta understand that I hustle just to feed a family, all up and down a family tree. You a blessing, see, like a blessing in disguise. When I look you in your eyes, it calms me down on your level. Baby, your love is thick in the metal. Let me lay you in some rose petals. All my niggas say,
I say, yo, lady, you touch my heart, and from that moment, you laid eyes on my heart. Can I call you baby, or maybe call you lady, and I won't stop till I get you in my life.
Hey,
Fuck with me, fuck with me.
That make it work. Blame gravity to draw me to your approach. You ain't said nothing, but your eyes did all the combo. So I'ma tell you, come here and jump in my bag pronto. Can you be the sister of Tonto when a nigga long ranges? Adjust my bass levels when your boy Eddie wangin'. If I gave you some cash, would you spend it all crazy? Or double up the profit and bring it back, baby? I hope you choose the latter and not a waste of great matter. In that case, I gotta scatter and dine from another platter. Matter of fact, let's get together. Say 1 week from Friday, and if you pass my test, maybe we can hit the highway. But I say you can't forget this reason for this man-woman beat, cause damn near every day to me is mating season. You might think I'm crazy and just up and treat you like a queen, but before I think about crying, let's see how you treat
I
me.
say, yo, lady, you touch my heart, and from that moment, you laid eyes on my heart. Can I call you baby, or maybe call you lady, and I won't stop till I get you in my life.
It's so dreamy, it's so creamy, just like that middle shit. I'm thinking, excuse me, I don't mean to move too fast. It sounds so bad, it sounds so crass, but your body's twin towers and I'm hoping that I crash. Look, I thought they'd get a laugh. Hopefully they get me past the barriers that you have to enter into your mind and let your thoughts be unwrapped. So let's skip the introduction, let's get to you and me. I'll be the words, baby, how about you be the beat? Matter of fact, you be the keys, but yet I'll be the strings, and there's no strings attached to our LOV. So mom, what you telling kids?